Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. As a logical corollary and harmonious interpretation of Section 8 within bracket C, 80 of the NDPS Act and Rule 65A of the NDPS rules, it is clear that essentially the question as to whether a person is entitled to sell, purchase, consume or use any psychotropic substance could only be answered by referring to the relevant provisions contained in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and the rules framed thereunder. Stop para. Section 3 within bracket B of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 defines the word drug, which include in its ambit all medicines for internal or external use of human beings to be used for or in the diagnosis, treatment, etc. Stop. Section 12 of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 postulates power of central government to make rules in terms of subsection 2 thereof. Rules framed may specify particular class of drugs for the import of which a license is required, as well as the form and conditions of such licenses, authority empowered to issue the same, etc. Stop. In terms of Section 12 and other provisions, central government framed Drugs and Cosmetics Rules 1945. Stop. Part 6 deals with sale of drugs other than homeopathic medicines, that is, relating to allopathic medicine. Stop. Under Rule 59 within bracket 1 thereof, the state government has been empowered to appoint licensing authority. Stop. Para. Rule 61 deals with forms of licenses to sell drugs and provides that in order to sell, stock, exhibit or offer for sale or distribute drugs specified in all schedules except Schedule C, C within bracket 1 and X, the requisite license shall be issued in a requisite form. Stop. Rule 65 provides for condition of licenses, and in terms of Rules 65 within bracket 3 within bracket 1 within bracket H thereof, whenever the drugs specified in Schedule H1 are supplied, a separate register has to be made containing the name and address of the prescriber, the name of the patient, the name of the drug and the quantity supplied. Stop. Para. The supply of drugs specified in Schedule X to registered medical practitioner, hospitals, dispensaries and nursing homes shall be made only against the signed order in writing, which shall be preserved by the licensee for a period of 2 years. Stop. Meaning thereby that the drug specified in Schedule H1 should be supplied to any registered medical practitioner, with the only rules being that order should be in writing. Stop. The licensee who is supplied shall preserve the above order for 2 years. Stop. In terms of Rule 97 thereof, which deals with labeling and packing of drugs other than homeopathic medicines for Schedule H1 drugs, the following are the relevant provisions contained in Rule 97 within bracket I within bracket E. Stop. If it contains a drug substance specified in Schedule H1, the drug formulation shall be labelled with the symbol RX, which shall be in red and conspicuously displayed on the left top corner of the label, and shall also be labelled with the following words in a box with a red border. Para. Same issue was there before this court in CWP number 1361 of 2015, and protection from arrest was given to the petitioner till the adjourned date. Stop. Similarly, in another case titled as Dr. Ashish Sharma versus State of Punjab and others, CWP number 26763 of 2014, the trial court was directed to adjourn the case beyond the date given by this court. Stop. Similarly, in CWP number 4038 of 2015, the trial court was directed to adjourn the case beyond the date given by this court. stop, over.